Thank you, Jerome. And with the former JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint now out of the picture, the Reggae Boyz put on a comfortable performance as they dispatched Suriname 3-1 in their CONCACAF Nations League match at the National Stadium.
Concerns loomed before Tuesday's game as to whether it would have gone ahead. Those concerns came after the Reggae Boyz called for the resignation of the JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint, or else there wouldn't have been a game. Well, Wint was nowhere near his customary position in the royal box. With Wint not around, there was no holding back for the boys, who had the fans chanting when Ravel Morrison's 16th minute opener separated them from Suriname. And not even when Yannick Wilshot breached their defense 5 minutes later to pull Suriname level did it break the Jamaicans. Junior Flemings, who scored in the first leg in Suriname, was at it again as he found the go-ahead goal in the 43rd minute. The contest was dusted with 20 minutes to go when Jamal Lowe settled the score for a 3-1 victory. According to Flemings, there is a message behind the victory.
I hope so. I hope things change and we move forward peacefully and just continue because we want to play. You know, that's all we want to do, just play and leave everything else that is off the field matter like deal with itself.
When asked if things were made easier for the players with the resignation of Wint, Coach Paul Hall says the answer is in the performance.
Listen, the boys they put out their statement, and the boys did what they did. They wanted to go forward, and they reacted out there. The answer's out there. They played really well. They wanted to win. They could have won by more, and everybody put a shift in.
Amari Bell almost saw his first game on Jamaican soil being a no-go, but was elated to get it out of the way.
Yeah, you know, it's amazing. First time playing in Jamaica, you know, with all the fans, it's crazy. But, you know, I loved every moment.
So with one era taken care of, Hall says, there is another that must be addressed.
We need to get back in love with the public again and reconnect with them. And it's performances like that will do it, that will attract more people, and I hope to see a fuller stand the next time we play.
The next time the team will gather at the National Stadium is Tuesday, when they are due to play Mexico in their next game of the Nations League. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.